ABS, guys. Yeah, get on. How old are you? 17.
Can I get on the back?
If you was a year older, I'd tell you, you can get on the back. Huh?
Can I not?
If you was 18, then yeah.
I am 18.
You have to show me your ID.
Don't let that mate's just well pissed. Very.
Listen, he's lying.
Yeah.
Can you let me?
Please don't.
Are you her boyfriend?
No, this is my family friend. Let me on the back, we'll go round once.
Well, one, you're not 18.
No, I'm not 18.
Yeah, and two,
No, I am 18.
you just caught yourself out.
Come on, you should let me.
No.
You don't want to let me have a go.
No, I'm sure.
Sure.
Sure. 18 plus on the back of this.
Alright then.
See you around. You're right. Would you need a taxi?
No, I'm not jumping on.
No?
I'm not jumping on.
I thought you called for a taxi home.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
Huh?
I'm going home.
Going to your home?
I'm going home. What's your name?
Sophie, you've got long hair though.
My name's Tarzan, that's why.
Take your hat off.
Oh, my face is not to be. Whoa, yo. Oh my days. What is this? Oi, mind the exhaust.
What's your name?
Tarzan.
Off, is he called Tarzan? Take
Tarzan.
Tarzan.
If I let go of these bars, the whole bike is gonna fall on its side.
It's fine, I'll hold on.
Oh yeah, I trust you.
Got it.
I completely trust you.
Don't burn my knee.
Yeah, I said look out for the exhaust.
That's a taxi.
No, that's not. This is the taxi.
Tarzan, you burnt my leg.
That's the exhaust. Oh, you're gonna feel that in the morning.
You told me.
I just. I'll play it back. Oi, mind the exhaust.
Tarzan's got long hair.
That's why they call me Tarzan.
Hey.
That's a bad burn. You need to get some water on it.
Oh, it's like.
That's. You're gonna remember this day for a long. Don't touch. You're gonna remember this day. You're gonna be like, whoa, that guy Tarzan. That scar's gonna remind you of it.
Oh my god, I've got proper hair.
That's a proper. Of course, it's not a wig, is it?
Hey, bro. Hey, Cardo, music off. That's $15, bro. That's all the cash I got. Go get something to eat or whatever, you know. All right, brother, have a good day.
Video tacking.
I got it on camera. Yeah, man. He's. Yeah. There's no reason. Give me your email. I'll send it to you. Yeah, okay.
Alright, we'll do it. I think this guy likes it. He's recording you. Do it again.
Oh, holy. Oh, man. Oh, that is so f***ed up. Oh, my God. Oh, my mother God. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Hey Siri. Call 911. The thing is, I'm riding a motorcycle and I hit this dog. I did not know who to call, and the dog's still alive. And it was laying in the middle of the road, State Road 60. And I just didn't know who to call, what to do. I didn't want to leave it for dead. And I'm holding the dog right now. It has a big gash on its right side, on its shoulder. No, I'm not. Luckily, I kept my bike going straight, but the dog's not doing too good. I mean, the dog is up and alert, but it's like gash, it's like bleeding. It has a very big gash on it. That's,
Is he okay?
it has a really big gash. Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah, well, not the median. It's like on the shoulder of the road on the right side. On the shoulder, and then there's another gash on the back as well. Yeah. I called 911. The tag did have their phone number on it, and I called them, and these are the owners.
Just live right over there, and I just got him back and taken a walk, took him off his leash, and
Bro, come on, man. Dude. Yeah, I'm trying to get a shot here, man. I know, I'm trying to get a shot. Yeah. I'm trying to get a shot. People, swear to God, man. Hello?